Hi, I'm Nicole Hemrick, and I'm the managing partner at Hemrick O'Malley, PLLC. Today, I'm going to talk about something that has been coming up quite a bit since Donald Trump was elected to the presidency for a second time. And that is people's fear of mass deportation, people's fear of being picked up by ICE, and what they can do if ICE approaches them. It is very sad that we are here again. We've been here before. And the fact is, you do have rights. We are going to talk about those rights today. First, what do you do if ICE comes up to you on the street? ICE should not be randomly stopping you on the street. If an ICE agent comes up to you on the street, just keep on walking. Unless they know who you are, then you can just ignore them or politely excuse yourself and move along. This would be different, of course, if an officer calls you by name. Then you can ask if there's a warrant. You can check it and see if it is signed by a federal judge, not by ICE alone. And if it is, you could say that you want to speak with your lawyer. Second, what if ICE comes to your home? Guess what? You don't have to let them in. You can ask again, do they have a warrant? If they do, and you have a way that ICE can show you this warrant without you having to open the door all the way, such as slipping it through a mail slot or sliding it under the door, you should do that. Again, you need to check, is it signed by a federal judge? If it is not, do not open the door. If it is, say that you want to speak to your lawyer first. If anyone is in the house that is undocumented, that the warrant is not for, those people should leave the house if there's any way to do so, or they should otherwise be refusing to answer any questions. Only the person who the warrant is about should be answering any questions for ICE. Finally, what if ICE comes to your job? Get the boss. The boss should be handling all communications with ICE. Again, what are we looking for? A warrant signed by a federal judge. If there isn't one, the employer should be demanding that ICE leaves and trying to protect his or her employees. If there is a warrant, or perhaps in any case, the employer should be calling his or her attorney. Employees should leave if possible and not be answering any questions unless instructed by the employer and the employer's attorney. So remember, you have rights. Donald Trump can't just overturn the Constitution. There is due process. People have a right to a lawyer. People have a right to go through a legal process. And without going through these processes, you can't just be picked up and put on a plane and sent back to your country. And remember, we are here to fight for your rights. Give us a call if you have any questions or you need help. Our telephone number is 833-848-7838, and you can check us out online at www.hemrick.law.